Hello, friends. Welcome back to Be My Own Boss Academy, where we teach you to earn passive income in a very smart and legit way. If you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you to the family and I want to encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when we drop beautiful updates that can help you in your journey to earning passively online. Okay, today I have a very beautiful topic that I want to dive into that is going to show you how to earn passively online from something that you already have. Perhaps even if you don't have, you can learn on how to go about it and then start making something for yourself. And that simple thing that I know that you have, that we both know that you have, is your LinkedIn account. And you're thinking, LinkedIn account, how? Why? Yes, LinkedIn account or your LinkedIn profile. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can use that your LinkedIn profile that you visit once in 2 months, or you don't even open maybe in 6 months or thereabout. I want to show you how to earn passively with that LinkedIn account. Are you ready? I am ready. Let's go into the video for today. So what does it mean to rent a LinkedIn profile? You see, the truth is, let's just start from the basics. When you say you are renting a LinkedIn account, what it simply means is that you want to give access to companies. There are a lot of companies out there, a lot of agencies, especially those who are into marketing and, into promotion, and they are looking to expand their businesses. But because there is a limit of accounts that they can create, on LinkedIn, the best they can now do is to come to you and then come to me and ask for your professional account. I mean, your LinkedIn account that is active and has, minimal connections. So what they want to do is like leasing it out to them. They use it to do their marketing business and, promotion. And then they pay you a fee for renting it out for a period of time. So basically, this is what it means to rent your LinkedIn account. But the basics is that depending on the connection and the activities you have, I'm going to put it on the screen so that you can see some of the examples of what I'm talking about. You see that on that screen, you see that when you have between 100 to maybe 200 connections, this is the amount that they are willing to pay you every 10 days. Every 10 days. So imagine that's your LinkedIn account that is sitting down, the profile is sitting down, you don't log in, you don't do anything within a month. So in a space of 30 working days, if you have like 500 connections on that account and it is just sitting down there, you are not logging in, you are not performing any activities, this can fetch you extra income that you did not even work for. All you need is that you abide by their rules and regulation, which we are going to talk about in a few seconds too. We are going to talk about it in few seconds. So you see, this is what you stand to gain. So you are not losing. And of course, I'm going to show you some of the things you need to avoid so that you don't get your account into the hands of people who will hijack it or steal from you. So how much exactly can you earn by renting your LinkedIn account? This is the fun part, and I know this is why you clicked this video. So you see, renting your LinkedIn account can earn you anywhere between $100 to $500 per month, depending on a lot of factors, because your profile may be different from another person's profile depending on some of these factors. And what are the factors? Number one has to do with the quality of your LinkedIn profile. So if you have a very quality profile where you engage actively and you have a lot of activities going on, this can of course encourage these companies to pay you higher for your commission. Also, it depends on your number of connections. So for someone who has, between 100 and 200 connection, and then somebody who have between 500 and 1000 connection, you are not going to earn the same thing. So think about it. If you have maybe like 500 to 1000 connection and you are earning about 300 $200 per month, do the calculation in a year and see that you are earning up to maybe 4,000 to $6,000 per year for an account that you are barely using, and they are using this to generate passive income for yourself. Is that not pretty cool? Yes, I think it is pretty cool. And I think it is worth trying if you truly have an account that, is available for them to use. Please, this is a disclaimer. I am not, advocating that you should rent out your LinkedIn profile. What I am just trying to say is that if you have the one that is dormant, that is not useful, this can be a way for you to build your profile and also help it to have a good activity going on in it. Another factor you want to consider, when you're renting out your LinkedIn profile, is to get a very good company. And that is very true, because if you don't have a good company that you're going to rent this account to, you may not really enjoy this passive income the way you are looking at it. So for instance, if you have a good company, you can reach out to them and then tell them you want to rent out your LinkedIn account. So for those of you who are interested and you have a LinkedIn account that you think meets some of these factors I've just listed, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Click on that link and then I will give you access to the company that you can use to rent out your profile that you are not using, and then we can make this money together. So now that we have talked about the potential that you stand to gain by renting your LinkedIn profile, the next step is that we are going to consider how you want to get started. So perhaps you are watching me and you're like, please, I just want to get started. I just want to get started. So I'm going to show you what you need to do for you to get started. How do you get started? So the first thing is that you want to optimize your profile. So if your profile is not attractive enough, you want to go to your profile, you want to polish your profile, make it look attractive so that when they log in, they will be attracted to your profile. Of course, you want to make sure that your profile image, the thumbnails are very okay. So that is the first step for you to get started. Number two step is that you now want to look for legitimate companies. I already told you, for you to avoid being, losing your accounts, I will not specifically tell you this is a company you should go. If you want to make, your research about the companies you can rent out, you can go ahead. But if you need a legitimate one, which I use, and I think they are legitimate enough, you can click the link in the description of this video, and then I will direct you on how to reach out to these companies. Of course, you want to ensure that after getting a legitimate company, the next thing you want to do is to set your terms and conditions, because definitely I'm going to be able to know how to set your terms and conditions. By terms and conditions, I mean, number one, you need to discuss your payment, plans with them. How they are going to tell you how they do their payment, but of course you want to bargain and then discuss with them on the price that you would like to earn on your profile. Number two, on your terms and condition, you want to talk about the duration that you would like your profile or your account to be leased out to them. And then you want to make sure that all other, issues you like to have with regards to your terms and conditions, you want to make sure that you keep your information private to yourself, all right? So because this is very important, you want to monitor your activities. So you monitor your account, not the activity of the company. Monitor your account to ensure that your account is being used ethically. Of course, if you do all this, it will help you on your way to having a peaceful relationship with any company of your choice. So what are safety precautions that you need to take when you're renting your LinkedIn profile? Number one is that you want to ensure that you verify the company you are going into. You want to make sure they are legit, do your research, and then ask questions where you need to. You want to keep your personal information close to your heart. So, and then number three, avoid suspicious offers, because you are going to meet some companies, they might end up offering you a very high pay, and then you compare it and look at the other companies and you feel, no, this offer is better, it's juicy. Remember that you are not the one doing anything. You are only leasing out your account, and so you don't want to be greedy in this situation. So any offer that sounds too good to be true, run away, avoid it. And then I believe when you do these safety precautions, you will have a peaceful dealing with any complaint that you have chosen to follow. Go. Who exactly is this offer for? This kind of offer is for people who are professionals, who have, their LinkedIn, profile set up in a professional way, and of course who have a stable job. You are not searching for job, because if you are searching for job, you know that your LinkedIn profile is important. You can get job opportunities there. So however, if you know you have a stable job and you just want to use this as side hustle for yourself, then this may be an opportunity you want to grab and run with it. All right, so I believe that you have enjoyed this video. If you have watched to the very end, I want to congratulate you and thank you for watching to the end. And please don't forget to subscribe. Of course, stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing more details about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to create a LinkedIn profile and then optimize it for search in the coming videos that I'll be posting on this channel. Before I let you go, I just want to say, keep grinding, don't give up on yourself until you become a boss of your own self. Stay blessed and see you in another video.